Welcome to Accelerator Pedals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily test your 2006 through 2008 Chevy Aveo Accelerator pedal. This is the power supply. It takes 3 AA batteries. Line them up like this. Use some copper wires at the edges and attach the positive and negative wires at the ends. Verify that you will have about 4.5 volts coming out. That is close enough for testing to the 5-volt system in your car. For the Aveo pedal, the pedal should be facing towards you with the clip like this. The multimeter should be set to 20 volts, and with your 4.5 volt battery, you're going to connect the positive from both the multimeter and the battery to the top pin like this. Then the negative from the battery should be connected up to the second pin, and the negative from the multimeter should be connected to the bottom pin or the sixth pin. Once you do this, it should be reading about 4.2 volts in the idle position, and as you push in the pedal, it should be reading about 2.5 volts when it's fully pressed in. Remember, you are checking for both spikes and glitches during these tests. For the second potentiometer, disconnect the ones that you had before and connect the positive from the battery in the multimeter to this middle third pin. The negative from the battery should connect up to the fourth pin or third from the bottom. And the negative from the multimeter should connect up to this fifth pin or second from the bottom. Once you do that, it should also be reading 4 volts in the idle position. And as you fully press it in, it should be reading about 2.2 volts at the very end of the depression. Remember, you are both checking for spikes and glitches during these tests. I have to repeat this because it is important with good repetition. So, what will this look like? Our expert here is going to press in on the pedal, just like so, and bring it right back up. And he's doing it for both of the potentiometers. And as you can see, the multimeter is reading the results right here and right here. What if yours is having a spike or glitch? Check the link down below to see our current stock of pedals, including the one that we're showing right here, the 06 to 08 Aveo. Alright then, see you next time.